Oh, Paul?
Yeah.
What are you?
Oh,
Oh,
hey. What's up, Rachel? How you doing?
What's going on?
Oh, I'm shooting an unboxing. I'm gonna post it on Monday though, so I don't want to show what I've highlighted on the unboxing. But
Okay.
but yeah, you know, I've been working a lot and shooting some videos. I'm ready to post them now. Got this unboxing of the DJI RS4 Pro. But other than that, you know, been busy. Had some exciting life announcements coming up. I'm trying to hide it still, you know. So, you know, I don't know if you knew this, Rachel, I've been seeing someone for a while.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
And it's and some of the viewers that watch my YouTube channel may know about this person. I don't know if they're aware, but we decided to call it quits, actually. It's crazy.
That is wild.
Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. Rachel, who is filming this video right now,
Hello.
and I are engaged. Woo! And she said yes.
I did say
Rachel,
yes.
show everyone the ring. Wow. Yeah, put it in the light.
Wink.
Does it look good in the light?
It's all blurry. There we go. All right, now.
You maybe back up a little bit.
Oh, yeah, there we go. And I'm covering your thing for you, too.
Oh, good. But yeah, that's the exciting life news. So we've been focusing on that, and we're shooting some videos. Got a lot of Michael Henry content coming out. Got this beautiful unboxing of this pricey gimbal coming out, but I'm really excited about using it. So, and I'm excited to unbox it for y'all. You know, that the fun unboxing of YouTube isn't it really the nature of why we're all here, just to see things get opened. And you know, exciting news that Rachel said yes, and she's gonna be hopefully maybe. Rachel, you want to show yourself in this? You want to?
I don't know about that.
Oh, okay. Maybe next time.
Maybe.
I think you've been in some of these videos before.
Yeah, but they gotta look for it.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching, and you know, hopefully, let me know what you guys have been up to. Got some exciting. We're in the thick of spring right now, so wherever you're at, hopefully you're getting through the winter, going on to the summer. And I know I'm ready. I'm gonna be 37 in a few months, so yikes, baby. But more like yikes, it's the summertime. Get your summer bods ready. Get out there, get fit, and stay warm. Because I'm ready for summer. Are you ready for summer?
I'm ready for it to be done with spring.
There we go. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Now, I got to clean this place up, or else my fiance is going to kill me.
That's right.
All right.
Okay. So start cleaning.
Okay.